Hello guys, this is Subhan Arshad and this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today I am going to cover the all new Morris Garage's Hector BS6 compliant engine. So when this car was launched, this was the competitor of Fortuner Tata Harrier, and this car is also being very much sold in India because of its pricing and the futuristic looks. Morris Garage's short form is MG. With this car full name is MG Hector, and the variant which you are seeing on your screen, MG Hector Sharp 2.0 diesel. So the length of the car is 4655 mm, which is 4655 mm, and the width of this car is 1835 mm and the height is 1760 mm, which is much heighter car. You can say it is a 5-person capacity car, and the variant you are seeing is a diesel variant. The maximum power output of this engine is 169 bhp on 3750 rpm, and the maximum torque output of this engine is 350 newton meter on 1750 rpm. The mileage that company claims of this car is 17.41, but it will give you around 14 to 15 kmpl in the city. This car is a front wheel drive car and it got automatic climate control, all 4 power windows, central locking which is keyless, anti-lock braking system which is also known as our ABS. Seat upholstery, obviously in this much price money you will get of leather. The front and the rear tire size of the car is the same, which is 205/60 R17. These are 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. If we talk about the safety features, you got 6 airbags, middle rear 3-point seat belt, which is very good safety feature. Tire pressure monitoring system, which is high line, not the low line. I will tell you the difference of the high line and the low line in the next video. And you also get child seat anchor point, seat belt warning will be also there. And if we talk about the braking and traction of this car, you got ABS with EBD, brake assist, electronic stability control, hill hold control, traction control system. And if we talk about the locks and security in this car, you get engine immobilizer, central locking which is keyless, speed sensing door lock, child safety lock. If we talk about the comfort and convenience this car offer, which is very awesome, it got automatic climate control, rear AC vents with heater also, vanity mirror on sun visor for driver and co-driver both, anti-glare mirrors, parking assist which is 360-degree camera. You get 4 cameras in this car, 1 at the front, 1 at the back and 2 on the both of the ORVM of left and right. It also gets front and rear parking sensors, which is very good feature. You also get cruise control in this car. You also get headlight off and ignition key off reminder when you leave the car. You will also be able to start this car, which is keyless start, or you can say button start. The steering adjustment is tilt and telescopic both. 12-volt power outlet is also there. And if we talk about the telematics of this car, you get remote car light flashing and hawking through the app, geo fence, remote sunroof open and close, over the air updates, check vehicle status through the app, remote car and unlock the car through the app, find my car and emergency call. These are some features offered by Morris Garages through the app. And 6-way manually adjustable co-passenger seat and 6-way electrically adjustable driver side seat, which is very upmarket. Seat upholsteries of leather, as I have told you. You get leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear knob, driver armrest is also there. Rear passenger seat type, as we all know, it's a bench type seats here. Single tone, but it got single tone. Interior color is single tone. And if we talk about the rear armrest, as you can see, it got with 2 cup holders, as you can see on your screen. Front seat pockets. All the headrests in this car are adjustable, which we got front and rear both headrests. Cup holders on front and rear. Driver armrest storage is also there. Cooled glove box. Sunglass holder. Not sunglasses, you keep only one sunglass at a single time. Sorry, by mistake. All 4 power windows. 1 touch down for all the windows and 1 touch up only for the driver. If you are providing 1 touch down for all, you should also provide 1 touch up for all. Why only to the driver's side? Tell me Morris Garages, why? Adjustable ORVM, turn indicators on ORVM, rear defogger, rear wiper, exterior door handles are chromed, and rain sensing wipers, which is obviously given in this type of segment. Interior door handles are also chrome. Door pockets front and rear both. Boot lid opener remote operated. Outside rear view mirror is body colored. And if we talk about the exterior of this car, you got panoramic sunroof, roof rails, roof mounted antenna, body colored bumpers. And if we talk about the lighting system of this car, you will get daytime running LED which is known as DRL. Fog lights are LED on front and LED on rear. Headlights are also LED. Automatic headlamps, follow me home headlamps. Tail lights are also LED. Cable lamp is also there on the front and the rear both. Headlight adjuster, rear reading lamp is also there, as I have told you. Cornering headlights, which is passive. And if we talk about the instrumentation, you get an analog instrument cluster with a trip meter which shows electronic 2 trips and average fuel consumption, average speed, distance to empty, clock, low fuel level warning, door ajar warning, adjustable cluster brightness, gear indicator, shift indicator and tachometer. If we talk about the entertainment system, you get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, integrated music system. Head unit size is 10.25 inch around. A GPS navigation system, 6 plus speakers, USB capability, aux capability and many more things. And if we talk about the engine, you get 1956 cc 4-cylinder inline 4-valve cylinder DOHC engine. Engine type is 2-liter turbocharged diesel. And if we talk about the transmission, you get 6-gear manual transmission with a reverse gear, and this engine is a turbocharged engine. The emission norms this engine stands is BS6, which stands for Bharat State 6. The dimension of this car are as follows. The wheelbase of this car is 2750 mm and the ground clearance of this car is 192 mm and the fuel tank capacity is of 60 liters. This car is a 5-door car. And if we talk about the suspension of this car, you get MacPherson strut with stabilizer bar on the front and semi-independent helical spring torsion beam at the rear. You got both front and rear disc brakes. Wheels which are provided are all alloy wheels, and the spare wheel is the steel wheel as all car offers. And there are many more colors on this car, which are as follows. You will get the white color as I have shown you in the picture, as in this video. Sorry, not the picture, I am saying wrong. And this is the diesel variant of this car, as I have told you in this video. So let me know there are how many colors in the MG Hector. You get 5 different colors in this car, which are burgundy red metallic, starry black, aurora silver, glaze red, and candy white, which is shown you in the video, candy white. So this is all about the all new MG Hector, which is a BS6 compliant engine. And if you like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And if any query related to this or any other car, let me know in the comment section. And if you want a particular review of any car, so let me know in the comment section. I will be there to reply your comments. Thank you so much, and see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, see you. And till then, enjoy the cinematic shots of this car. Okay, then see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you.